MX06 Folding Professional Drone. Capture stunning 8K aerials with intelligent flight and dual cameras. The MX06 Folding Professional Drone is a compact yet powerful quadcopter designed for capturing breathtaking aerial photos and videos. Featuring dual 8K high-definition cameras, optical flow positioning, and intelligent flight modes, the MX06 empowers you to explore the world from a new perspective. Key features: dual 8K high-definition cameras capture stunningly clear aerial footage with the front wide-angle 8K camera and the bottom high-definition camera with optical flow positioning. Switch camera angles effortlessly to capture diverse perspectives. EIS electronic anti-shake. Enjoy smoother, more stable footage with the built-in EIS electronic image stabilization technology, minimizing camera shake and vibrations. Servo pan tilt. The servo pan tilt design enhances camera stability, providing smoother and more professional-looking aerial shots. Optical flow positioning and altitude hold. Achieve stable flight with optical flow positioning and altitude hold, making it easier to capture clear and steady footage. Custom route planning. Draw your desired flight path on the app for automated flight missions, allowing for creative and unique shots. Intelligent flight modes. One key return. Automatically return the drone to its takeoff point. Headless mode simplifies flight control for beginners. Hand gesture photography. Capture photos and videos with simple hand gestures. App mobile phone control. Control the drone directly from your smartphone. Brushless motor. Experience powerful and efficient flight performance with the durable and long-lasting brushless motor. Long endurance battery. The 3.7V 1300 mAh Li-ion battery provides approximately 12 minutes of flight time. 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology. Enjoy a stable and reliable connection with 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology. 6-axis gyroscope. Ensures stable flight and easy control. Out-of-range recovery. If the drone flies out of range, simply reconnect to the signal to regain control. Low battery alarm. The remote control will emit an alarm sound when the battery is low, preventing unexpected landings. Lightweight and portable. The drone's foldable design and 178g weight make it easy to transport and exempt it from certain drone registration requirements. Specifications: camera resolution 8K high definition, dual cameras, front wide angle, bottom optical flow, motor, brushless motor, battery 3.7V 1300 mAh Li-ion. Flight time approximately 12 minutes. Control frequency 2.4 GHz. Weight 178 grams. Gyroscope 6-axis. Package includes MX06 RC quadcopter, remote controller, 3.7V 1300 mAh LiPo battery. For spare propellers, USB charging cable, screwdriver, 2 user manuals. Benefits: capture high-resolution aerial photos and videos. Enjoy stable flight with optical flow positioning and altitude hold. Utilize intelligent flight modes for creative shots. Easily transport and store the drone. Fly with a stable connection and minimal interference. Overall, the MX06 Folding Professional Drone is a great option for those looking for a portable drone with dual 8K cameras and intelligent features.